All right, fellers, back. I took the liberty, cut me 2 of these 12 7/8. Got these hangers. Went down to my local Lowe's and got them. What we're doing, just so our plywood don't swag, I put this bracing in there. Set that on 22 inches. That's as wide as the plywood I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna 2-piece it. Fortunately, I don't have enough for 1 piece. Just one long one, 8 foot, 22 inches wide. So we gotta 2-piece it. But these gonna be your best friend, so your floor never swags. Anyway, just want to show y'all that. Let me get these hung. Now with that, we're gonna cut some plywood, put this floor back. Yeah.
Yeah, but on the side of the driveway, the driveway. That whole section cut out. And putting,
Is he on video call, Ma?
no,
Tell her to call me on video call.
call you on video now?
Or you one, and I'll show him.
Well, are you driving?
Or you can just take a picture of it. Yeah, come out and show you what I did.
Oh. He said where he's at, he's only got 2 bars.
Oh, well. They have a couple of these damn floor joist tiles left over.
Yeah.
But I had to cut a 2x6 because my plywood's 22 inches wide. It doesn't sit all the way down on the joist, but I use it because you can toenail to them.
Yeah.
But I put a center brace in. The only problem is they had a thin piece of plywood up and under this one.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna tack it down and pull it level with other plywood.
Yeah.
But you can look right now, it's pretty sturdy now, you know what I mean?
Hey!
Okay, it worked.
See? Can you see down in there?
Yeah.
This is what I've done. These here,
And the credits are not flow.
these here are,
Huh?
That's a Jeep.
Well, hang on, I flipped the camera.
but yeah, can you see now? These here are 6 foot long 2x8s because I didn't want to scab on with a short piece. They go all the way back past the tunnel where you go into the house. And it goes all the way over to this one and sets up on a ledger. And I got this brace in here because this had a 1/4 inch piece of plywood under it right here, but it's rotted out. So I'm probably gonna have to make some kind of shim and put right there, but the other plywood should set level and we're gonna put it back together and see what happens.
And guess what? There's white linoleum under the white linoleum.
Yeah, but that's it. It's pretty well framed up. I just gotta finish putting it back together now.
See, that's the old linoleum under the yeah.
Do you need to get a piece of plywood the same thickness as that when you go back in there?
Well, I got 3/4 inch, and then that I brought home before, it's a 1/4 inch.
Is it showing you or?
So what I do when I lay that 3/4 inch down, I'm gonna go over the top of that with a 1/4 inch. That way it's all level.
Okay.
And don't worry, I get my publicist Barbara. She's gonna hit you with the bill. It's only gonna be $5,900, but you're all good to go. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But let me get this done. Let me get this done so I can get this cleaned up. Alright, I gotta go cut some plywood, guys. I was joking with my stepdad. It's not $5,900. It's $3,850. He just don't know it yet.